Hello again. Today I'm going to show you a few cases that I've picked up for the Z Fold 4. And starting with this one, this is my favourite. This is the orange colour, made from polycarbonate, and it's a very nice fit, and I really like the colour as well. At the bottom here you'll see that I've got a little thing attached, and that just goes inside the cover and allows you to put a strap so that it doesn't fall from your hands at any time. I'll give you a few close-up images as well. This is the orange case, as you can see. All the cutouts are there, and it's a nice snug fit, and it doesn't come off easily, so that's really good. Also, I put a protector on the spine of the phone, just to stop it getting scratched, the same as I did last year. Right, I'm just going to go over these little protectors with you. As you can see, they do a nice little job, and they fit quite nicely onto the phone. You can get two different kinds. You can get one that sticks to the phone or the case. These ones don't stick, they just go in, and they're wide enough so that they can't pull out in any way. These ones are cheaper, and they're just folded over anti-tear cloth. You can see Amazon, next day, Prime delivery. They're only $6.99 for each of them. Silicone strap as well. Screen protectors, you don't get a screen protector from Samsung this year. Usually they put one on and everybody peels them off. So this time you have to buy them. In Vietnam they're 450,000 for two. There's two in a packet with a fitting kit as well. I'll do that in a separate video though, don't worry. Right, let's have a look at these two cases here. They both look the same. This one's made from 100% aramid fibre. It's 0.3 millimeters thick, and it's a very protective and very nice case. It's the same sort of thing they do on Unbox Therapy. Lou, he sells those ones. The other one is made from a polycarbonate and aramid fibre blend. So they've got a strengthening of polycarbonate on the inside. They both feel the same, and you can see that they're both aramid fibre on the outside. Obviously the polycarbonate blend is a thinner aramid fibre, so it might wear over time. This front part is the aramid fibre again. It has a sticker on, and the other one doesn't have a sticker with it, and it's a little bit thicker. Overall weight, the aramid fibre case weighs 10 grams less than the polycarbonate and aramid fibre blend, but you don't really notice it when it's on the phone at all. Right, so I'll just put each one of those on so you can see them, and I'll again do some close-up images of the cases so that you can see for yourself. Difference in price, of course. You've got the aramid fibre case, which came out at about £30, and the aramid fibre and polycarbonate blend came out for about £10. Both of them will do the same job, so you don't need to worry too much. They give reasonable good drop protection. Obviously, if you throw it up in the air and it lands, it's going to break. But if you're just dropping it from a chair height, then you should be fine. Right, let's take that one off and we'll go on to the last one. So this is the aramid fibre. Again, it's much thinner. It's not wanting to stick down too well because it's still got the protective film on the sticker. But I'll just put it on so you can have a look. I don't want to take the protective film off the sticker yet, but I'm sure it will stick down when I have. So as you can see, this is much thinner. Doesn't want to fit very well on that corner. Let me just try and... yeah, there's a little lump there. I think that's all it is. Okay, let's try again. Do it. No, it's popped up again. Right, well anyway, this one's got a sticker adhesive strip along the front, so it should be fine. Nice feeling case, nice and light, nice and protective. And it's what I had on the Fold 3 for the last year, so I know they work very well, and they look nice as well. Right, okay, so that's that one. Let's take that one off, and I'll show you the last case for today, which came from Samsung. Okay. Right, this last one is the Samsung leather case, and it's in the grey colour. I don't think it's grey-green, I think it's just the grey colour. As you can see there, it's got some recycled materials in there, and you can't tell much at the top, it's got a sticker on it. But they've used some recycled plastics in the actual strength of the case. Okay, let's open this one up. Sorry, I'm just putting the cover on the knife, I don't want to end up dropping it. Okay, so this is the grey leather case from Samsung this year. A little bit of information on how to fit it, and this is the case. Yeah, it's just a sort of I don't know, it's trying to think of the name. It's like an army green, like an army grey or a navy grey, like they do the battleships and submarines and things. It's not a bad colour. I think it would look nicer if I had the green-grey colour phone. But let's see what it looks like on the black one. It'll give you an idea as well. There we go. It doesn't look too bad. It's a nice feeling case, nice and warm to the touch. Let's put the front on as well. The front's nice and thin and minimal, so that's good. Doesn't give too much bulk to the phone either. And it's got a little bit of Samsung branding down there stamped in. It's a little bit more slippery than the aramid fibre, but it does have a warmer feel to it. And it looks pretty nice as well. Okay. Cutouts are nice. Gives a little bit of protection on the camera. So that's it. Right. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope I didn't waffle on too long. And I hope it gave you an idea of what colour goes nicely with the Phantom Black phone. See you next time. Bye for now.